everybody. I'm installing a new deck drive belt. There's the deck, and then there's the electric clutch. We got to wrap it around, and I got the belt from D&D off of eBay. It was probably the best price for this size belt. So let's go and put it on, okay? All right, I'm feeding the belt through the back, and then I'm going to drag it to the front, okay? I'm just going to push it in, and then we will pull it up from the front of the deck. Okay, there are two safety hooks on the side here. So if you can just pull it and move it around it without having to undo it, otherwise you'll have to get it up. So I just get it on there and rotate it. I don't know if you can't see it, but and then I force it around with the wheel, and it just pops in there without too much damage. So that's hooked up there. So as you can see, the belt's on there around the two safety hooks, okay? So let's go around the back. Hey everybody, this is one of the pulleys from my mower. So these are sealed, and you can tell barely what the numbers are, so I can actually take that out. But I just wanted to check the last time, and I've already done it, but I want to show you how I did it. I took the snap ring out here like this, and to check it, I just take a little pry tool, pick tool, and just go between here and just work your way up, and then you should be able to get the seal to pop up. Okay, just be careful, just take your time. And then when I did it, this was dry, but you take one of these little things here like this. I got it for my chainsaw to do the and you just press some grease right in there. I'm using the same red grease that I use for a lot of other projects, and just push it in there like that. Okay, and then this, with that snap ring out of the way, you can just put this back in, and then later if it goes bad, then I'll put a new bearing in it, but snap it back in, and that's it. And that has lots of grease on it now. And then just put the snap ring back in like so, like that. Okay, and that's in place. So now we can put this wheel back in, and now it should be free to roll, not like before with no grease on it. Okay, so let's go back. All right, as it comes around the back, you'll see that there's two pulleys. I got to loop it around this one, so the belt's got to turn when I get it on that one, like so. Pull it and then loop it around that one, and there's another belt over here that's going to go on the other pulley. So we're going to put that on there, like so. And then this one that I took off earlier goes on a bracket. So let me show you, because I can't do it without one hand. Well, everything's back here together. There's the mounted pulley with the bolts. Here's the one with the spring tension. And all I have to do now is, since I have it, put it on the bolt here, and we'll just bring it down. Oops, on this side maybe. And then we can put the belt around it, okay? So let's try that. Okay, the belt's on the idler. Looks fairly tight, and that's the way it rolls on the bottom. And let's put the top together. Before I forget, this one was a C132 belt. They have two, and now I have to do is, you can see there's a C132. They have a C138 that was also listed, and that was not the right one. So now the last part is I got to reattach the clutch retainer here, which is this thing right here. And we gotta get that over here to make sure that that doesn't move, okay? There we go. And then we'll put the wiring in it. So once we get that in place, that ought to be okay. And then we can snake the wiring. I don't know if you can see it. We can snake the wiring and make the connection right there, okay? Okay. Okay. Put everything back on that I took off. That's the top bolt. Put the bottom bolt. All right, looks like that's about right. They take 1/2 inch, so let's tighten that body up. Okay. I think I want to get it a little bit up more. All right, all together, wires connected, and that's it. Yeah, sorry I didn't show you how to take it apart because the belt broke, so. But that's it. That's how to do a belt on a Lastec 3300 ZT. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Bye now.